Helios Grand Hotel is an incredible hotel, but I don't think the experience justifies the price, and that may sound surprising because there is a lot about the resort that is genuinely impressive. The architecture is stunning, the views overlooking Epic Universe are incredible, and the ability to walk directly from your hotel into the park is something that completely changes the way you experience a Universal vacation. There's no doubt that Universal created something special with Helios Grand Hotel, but after spending time here, I kept coming back to one question. Once you experience the biggest advantages of staying here, is there enough else to make the hotel worth the premium price? Because Helios is not just an expensive hotel room, it's a luxury vacation experience. A park view room can cost several $100s per night, and when you add your Epic Universe ticket, meals, drinks, and other expenses like express passes, you could easily find yourself spending over $1,000 for a single day of this experience. And when you're investing that much money, the expectations are naturally higher. A beautiful room is not enough. A great view is not enough. The real question is, does Helios Grand Hotel offer enough beyond its location and access to Epic Universe to justify the cost? Because the biggest reasons people will want to stay here are obvious. The convenience, the views, the ability to walk straight into Epic Universe, watching the nighttime light show from the hotel. These experiences are genuinely special. But once you have enjoyed those moments, what else does Helios offer? Because this is where I think the value becomes difficult. Unlike some other premium resort experiences, staying at Helios does not include express pass. So even after paying a significant amount for the hotel, you may still need to spend extra if you want shorter wait times inside the park. That can add a considerable amount to your vacation budget. Another thing that surprised me is that having a view of Epic Universe does not mean you have unlimited access to the park surroundings. You cannot simply walk into Celestial Park and enjoy the restaurants, atmosphere, or areas inside without a valid park ticket. The hotel is connected to Epic Universe, but it is still a theme park experience that requires admission, and outside of the park, the resort itself is more limited. There is no lazy river. There is not a large resort-style pool experience where you can spend an entire day relaxing. There is limited walkability around the hotel. You are not surrounded by restaurants, shopping, and entertainment options that you can easily explore on foot. Yes, there are shuttles available to areas like Universal City Walk, but when you are paying a premium price for a luxury resort, you have to ask, is needing transportation to access more experiences the same value as staying somewhere where everything is already right outside your door? And that is the biggest question surrounding the Helios Grand Hotel, because this hotel is absolutely beautiful, the experience is memorable, but is the entire vacation experience worth the premium price? That is what I wanted to find out. Let's dive into it and you let me know what you think. While the price of Helios Grand Hotel is one of the biggest talking points, one area where the hotel does deliver is overall service experience. The staff creates a welcoming atmosphere and there's a level of professionalism you would expect from a premium resort. The little interactions throughout the stay help elevate the experience. At this price point, those details matter, because when guests are paying a premium, they are not just paying for a room, they are paying for how the entire experience feels. And Helios does a good job of creating that feeling. The rooms at Helios Grand Hotel are definitely one of the highlights of the stay. The design is modern, elegant, and comfortable without feeling over-themed. Universe took a more sophisticated approach here. Instead of creating a room that feels like a theme park extension, Helios feels more like a high-end contemporary hotel. One feature that stands out is the room controls. Being able to adjust things like lighting and curtains without leaving the comfort of your bed feels like one of those small luxury touches. And this becomes especially memorable when you have one of the park view rooms. Imagine waking up, opening the curtains, and seeing Epic Universe right outside your window. That is the kind of moment that makes the hotel feel special. The room itself is comfortable, but what really makes it memorable is the connection to the park. The bathroom continues with the same modern design found throughout the hotel. The finishes feel premium, the lighting is well designed, and the space feels clean and polished. There's a separate shower area, quality fixtures, and a layout that feels more like what you would expect from a luxury resort rather than a standard theme park hotel. It is clear that Universal paid a lot of attention to details. The bathroom matches the quality of the rest of the room. One of the biggest decisions when booking Helios Grand Hotel is whether to upgrade to a park view, and this is where the emotional side of the experience becomes very real. The views of Epic Universe are incredible. During the day, you get to watch the energy of the park, and at night, seeing the lights and atmosphere above creates a completely different experience. The park view rooms definitely deliver something unique. But is it worth paying significantly more? That depends on how you use your hotel. If Epic Universe is the main reason you're traveling, if you love the idea of waking up with the park right outside your window, then I understand why someone would want this experience. However, if you're spending most of the day inside the parks and only returning to your room to sleep, the extra cost becomes harder to justify. Plus, there is an amazing sunset on the other side of the hotel if you don't decide to get a park view room. While the park view room gets most of the attention, the front-facing rooms offer a completely different experience. Instead of looking toward Epic Universe, these rooms provide views of the surrounding area and the impressive architecture of the hotel itself. The advantage is you can still enjoy the beautiful design and atmosphere of Helios without paying the highest premium for the park view. For some guests, this may actually be the better value option. You still get the benefits of staying at Helios, the location, the hotel experience, the convenience without paying as much for the view. And considering my biggest concern with Helios is the overall value, choosing a low-priced room category might make more sense. If there's one experience that truly makes Helios Grand Hotel feel special, it is the bar. The rooftop location creates one of the best views anywhere at Universal. During the day, you can look out over Epic Universe and appreciate the scale of the park, but at sunset into the evening, this space transforms. The atmosphere becomes much more relaxed. You can sit back, enjoy a drink, and watch the park come alive at night. This is one of those experiences that feels like more than just a hotel amenity. It feels like a destination. Even if you're not staying at Helios, this is probably one of the places many guests would want to visit. And for me, this is where the hotel really proves its value, because it is not just convenience. This is an actual experience. The pool area at Helios Grand Hotel matches the overall design of the resort. It is modern, clean, and beautifully finished. It is a great place to relax after spending time at Epic Universe. However, this is also where limitations of Helios become noticeable. For a hotel at this price point, some guests may expect a larger resort-style pool experience. There is no lazy river. There are not the same types of recreational features you might find at other destination resorts. The pool is beautiful, but it feels like a place to take a break rather than a place where you can spend an entire vacation day. And the difference matters because when you are paying a luxury resort price, many guests are not only looking for proximity to parks, they are also looking for reasons to enjoy the hotel itself. The fitness center at Helios Grand Hotel is another area where the hotel delivers. The space feels modern, clean, and well equipped. It fits the overall theme of the resort: premium, contemporary, and designed for guests. For guests who like maintaining their routine while traveling, this is a nice addition. But like many features at Helios, it is a benefit rather than a reason by itself to choose this hotel. Dining is another important part of any luxury hotel experience. Helios offers several options for guests, from casual meals to more elevated dining experiences. The convenience of being able to eat within the resort is definitely a benefit, especially after a long day at Epic Universe. After walking thousands of steps around the park, having restaurants and lounges available without needing to leave the property is valuable. However, this also brings up the same question again. Outside of the hotel and Epic Universe, your options are limited. You are largely choosing between dining at the resort, eating inside the park, or taking transportation elsewhere. For some guests, that simplicity is exactly what they want. For others, it may feel limiting, considering the premium price. After experiencing the rooms, the views, the rooftop, the pool, the gym, and the dining options, my opinion became clearer. Helios Grand Hotel is not missing quality. It is not missing design. It is not missing impressive features. The issue is value. The hotel is exceptional at creating the ultimate Epic Universe access point, but outside of that, the experience becomes much more limited. And that is the biggest decision every guest needs to make. Are you booking Helios because you want the best possible Epic Universe experience? Or are you looking for a complete luxury resort vacation? Because those are two very different things. It is a stunning hotel with a world-class location, but not quite enough resort experience to justify the premium price, in my opinion.